Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to enable dark theme in Edge browser on iPhone. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Edge browser. So let me open mine. So here is my Edge browser. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and you can see guys I don't have any dark theme enabled in this Edge browser. So if I tap on this three horizontal lines at the top right, you can see we don't have any dark theme enabled. Let me go back. So in order to enable dark theme, you have to tap on this three dots, this button in this bottom menu. So let me tap on this. And after that, you have to tap on this settings. And I have this settings. This is screen opened. And on this screen, you have to scroll down to this theme section. You can see here we have four options: Microsoft Edge, Device, Light, and Dark. So currently I have this Microsoft Edge, this option selected. You can see the check mark next to this. So you have to select this, fourth option, dark. All tabs are dark. So just tap on this dark, this option. Let me tap on this. And you can see guys, this option is now selected and we have this, dark theme enabled in this Edge browser. After you're done, just tap on this done link at the top right. Let me tap on this. You can see we have this dark theme, and also if I tap on this three horizontal lines at the top right, you can see we have this dark theme. Let me go back. So that's it. In this way you can easily enable dark theme in Edge browser on iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.